If you're on a budget but you want to smell expensive, then these are the perfumes that are absolutely worth trying. Now first, I have the Inside Cosmetics Cherry, and this is what the bottle looks like. It says cherry and it does smell like cherry, but it's soft, it's floral, it's a bit sweet, but it's not something that will give you a headache. So if you like something fresh and floral for every day, then you can definitely go with this one. Next, I have the Nykaa Delicate Vanilla, and oh my goodness, the way this smells. This is kind of the perfect muted vanilla. Like if you like vanilla but not too much, then this is the one to go with. This one stays for good 45 hours. You might need to reapply this. So if you're kind of new to vanilla and you want to try something, then this is the one to go. Then you have the Appeal Cocoa Vanilla, and if you want to smell like a bakery, this is the one. This one has a strong cocoa fragrance, but it's not something that will give you a headache. It's still gentle. I worn this around and I've gotten compliments, and this lasts literally for the entire day. So if you want to smell like bakery and you like cocoa, then this is the one. And next is Rene Bloom, and if you want to smell like a fresh garden full of flowers, please go with this one because it is so fresh, it is so floral. Basically, you'll smell like a bouquet of flowers, and this is the one if you like that. Last but not the least, I have my most favorite. This is the Plum Body Love and Vanilla Vibes. This smells exactly like vanilla. If you are crazy about vanilla fragrance like me, you will love this. It has the perfect sweetness. It lasts for the entire day. Lost the count on how many times I've repurchased this because I love vanilla so much. So if you love vanilla, then this is the one. So yeah, that was it. And comment down if you want the links.